We get to do that secret project that I was talking to you about. Scout's room. The queen gets what the queen wants. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Justin, and this week we're gonna continue on the closet project. We get to do that secret project that I was talking to you about. And if you guessed it, the project is for that girl back there, Scout's room. Scout I've had for over 8 years now, and she suffers from severe anxiety. And when I'm not home, she likes to go into my closet and sleep in there. She likes a dark little area, and I kind of took that away from her when I started building this closet. So it's only right, because she's the queen of the castle, that I start making a room for her. I have a lot of little ideas that we're gonna do in there and make it really custom for her, something that she's gonna love when I'm not here. The queen gets what the queen wants. So I'm really excited for this project. This is much more creative. I can do a lot more fun things, obviously. Thanks for just giving me your butt. Here. You gonna say hi to everybody? Say hi. Yeah. It is a rainy day in LA right now. We are in the middle of tropical Storm Hillary. I kind of prepared for this because I went to the fabric store yesterday and I picked up some stuff to start creating this custom bed that we're gonna do in Scout's room. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm excited for this week. We're gonna have fun, aren't we? Yeah. All right, let's make you a room. You ready? You ready? Go get your bone. Let's do it, guys. So the main criteria when looking for material for this dog bed was, one, it had to be durable. It had to be strong. Scout likes to move blankets and pillows around. She is not a dainty dog, so it had to stand up to her. Two, it had to be soft, obviously. It's a dog bed. I want her to feel comfortable. And three, it had to be some version of white or off-white. Now you're probably thinking, a white dog bed, that sounds like a terrible idea. It's gonna be filthy. Yes, maybe, but Scout sheds, and she sheds a lot, and she has blonde hair. So if I picked any kind of a darker color to hide the dirt, all I would be seeing is hair constantly on this thing. So the white is gonna kind of cover it up in between cleanings, at least. Those were my main criteria for picking this material. I found this nice quilted material that was actually pretty cheap, and it was on sale. It has a little bit of an added cushion in the material itself, as you can see. I think we're gonna do about 3 inches thick for the actual bed, but this should work out perfectly. Huzzah! So, little fact about me is that I, at my old apartment, used to throw these massive Oscar parties. I don't throw these big parties anymore because I'm a member of the Academy Museum now, and I go to their event. Check out the video I made for the tux that I built from scratch. So I have all these old pillows that I used to use for the Oscar party, but since I don't throw that party anymore, I don't really need all of these pillows, and it's just taking up a lot of space in the closet. These cheap fillings that I got from IKEA years ago. So I'm gonna take these apart and repurpose them for the stuffing for this dog bed.
Yeah.
So the first thing we have to do in this build before we can do any of the interior stuff is I need to finish this false wall that I put on out here. It's actually not connected, it's just kind of standing here holding this. I didn't want to connect it until I finished the interior of that. What I'm gonna do is install this fan into the side of the wall right here. It's a really quiet, soft fan. It basically is just gonna help with the air circulation because this is a corner. I don't want her to overheat in this little space. So I'm just gonna put this into the wall here. It has a little off, low, medium, high switch that I'm gonna just wire up to the back right here so I can turn it on whenever she's down there or before I leave, just so that she has a little bit of air circulation and doesn't overheat in the area. Now that we have the base layer of this pink contact paper around all of the walls, we can add my favorite part of this build, which I'm really excited to show you about. So it just got delivered. Let's go see it. All right. So I had this specially made for this project. I'm really excited. What is it? Is it for you? Yeah, what does that say? Now, obviously, I have a lot of imperfections in this first coat of wallpaper here, and I have the cover for the cord and stuff looks a little bit of a different color. thought ahead on that one, and we're gonna add some decals over this just to give it a little bit more visual interest and to hide some of those imperfections that I knew would happen with contact paper, because you always have to have a plan too when it comes to contact paper.
And of course, no bed would be complete without a few pillows. And I decided to add one last special pillow for her. And with that, we can finally put this entire room together.
Well, that's gonna do it for this week's project, guys. This turned out so well, and Scout loves the new bed. Hi. Hi. Next week, we are finally finishing this closet. All of the detail work just needs to get done. We have everything in. I am ready to go, and I'm ready to get my closet back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope Scout enjoys her bed, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.